Welcome back to digital class, and now we're looking at this question 4 of this fraction word problem. Let's solve the question number 4 here. Here says what? A box contains some stationery items, okay? And here says what? 3 out of 7 of the items are pencil. Now, these items basically means what? The total. And now what they are saying is that this 7 is the total. Means that we have 7 units as total. So let's try to cut this into 7, yeah. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, and out of this 7, how many are pencil? 3. So I will say, okay, these 3 will be pencil. And next, here says what? 5 out of 8 of the remaining items are eraser. So again, this 8 is the remaining item. And this 5 will represent what? The eraser. But the problem here is, teacher, I have a question. Here say what? Remaining is 8. But remaining here is what? 1, 2, 3, 4. Only 4. But here say is 8. Again, the same concept here that you must know. I know that this is referring to remaining. And I know this is referring 8 is remaining. So again, these two are different. If they are not the same, you are supposed to make it the same by looking for LCM. So 4, how to make it the same? Cut, no? We cut into half. Now I will do this. I cut into half, 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 half. Now, is it the same thing already? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 8 already, right? So that actually matched what is given. But of course, we don't cut like halfway, right? We cut everything. We just cut, we just cut, we just cut. Then everything is equal. And that makes it easier for us to do the calculation. Now I have 8. I know what? 5 represent what? The eraser. So let's just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So this 5 is the eraser. And here say what? The rest of the items are ruler. So I know that, here up to here would be rulers. So let's just try to look at here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So I know pencil I have 6 units. Eraser, how many units? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 units. How about ruler? 1, 2, 3. So 3 units. Now, next part of the question here says what? There are 42 more eraser than ruler. Wait, eraser is 5 units. Ruler is what? 3 units. So I know eraser is more than ruler, right? More than how many? 2 lor, because 5 units minus 3 units is 2 units, right? So, but they say it's what? 42. So that reminds you that 2 units is equal to what? 42. Then 1 unit is equal to what? Divide by 2 lor, so it's 21. And my final question asks, how many items are there in the box? So again, all these are the items. How many units in total? 6 plus 5 plus 3. That gives you what? 6, 11, 12, 13, 14. So it's 14 units. So if 1 unit is 21, 14 unit is what? Is 21 times 14, which gives you 294, if I'm not mistaken. Okay, so simple, and we are done. Okay, yeah. So this basically sum up the whole booklet basically for this fraction. But honestly speaking, these are only just few questions of the fraction word problem. We will tackle even more in the specific booklet when we tackle the heuristic problem sum question. But anyway, it's just opening for all of you. Anyway, I hope you learned something, and that's it for today. Thank you. See you. Bye bye.